Did you know you can quickly create a pony wall or half wall right inside a room using the Xactimate mobile app? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to do it. A pony wall, also known as a half wall or knee wall, is typically a low wall from 3 to 4 feet that doesn't reach the ceiling and can be used to divide spaces like kitchen countertops or showers, serving as a non-load-bearing wall. Double-tap the wall that connects the kitchen to the living room to zoom in. Tap the Wall tool. Now that the Wall tool is activated, tap, hold, then drag your finger to draw the wall length. In this example, you'll need 4 feet 5 inches. It doesn't have to be perfect. You'll see how to adjust the wall in a moment. Lift your finger to set the end point. If you need to move the wall, simply tap the wall and drag it up and down to the area it needs to be in. Another way to change the length of the wall is to use the ruler icon. Tap the end point you want to adjust. Then, scroll and select 4 feet 5 inches. Tap Done. This is going to create a half wall, but the height goes to the ceiling, so you'll need to adjust its properties to get a pony wall. Tap the Wall Properties. Under Dimensions, you'll need to update the following. Set Missing, End to End, to Yes. Set the thickness to 7 inches. Set the opening base height to 3 feet. The opening goes to ceiling should be set to Yes, so that everything above the height listed will be empty. These settings will create a 3-foot-high, 7-inch-thick pony wall right inside of your sketch. Now you'll want to double-check that everything looks correct by switching to 3D view. This gives you a clear look at the pony wall and helps confirm that it was created with the right height and placement. And that's it. Learning how to create a pony wall in Xactimate Mobile gives you more control and precision when building rooms in your estimates. Fill out the survey below to let us know if there's anything you'd like to learn more about. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips each week.